Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Hotspot on iPhone. Before turning the hotspot, ensure that the cellular mode is enabled. Open Settings, tap Cellular or Mobile Data, then toggle Cellular Data on. In the Settings menu, tap on Personal Hotspot and toggle Allow Others to Join to On. And if prompt, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth or choose USB only if connecting via cable. Your iPhone will display a Wi-Fi password under the Personal Hotspot settings. Use this password to connect to other devices to your hotspot. You can connect another device using one of the following methods: Wi-Fi connection, Bluetooth connection, or USB connection. Once you're done sharing your internet, go to Settings, Personal Hotspot, and toggle Allow Others to Join to Off. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.